welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to DIY your very own Valentine's Day sign out of wood. Let's check it out. Okay, finished cutting out the hearts using my jigsaw. First one I cut out, I wasn't very happy with. It looks like a 5-year-old drew it, so scrap that one. Next, I'm going to be using my orbital sander to sand down the surface and the edges just to make it a lot more smooth. You can see there's some rough edges just from the jigsaws to be expected. So let's get to sanding and then paint. Finished up with the paint. I did a cranberry red for the base, a pink chiffon for the bottom. I did a white dry brush stroke to kind of give it this rustic wood feel. And then I free-handed my Be Mine and XOXO. I'm not a fan of my own handwriting, but so I'm gonna let the wood glue dry onto the twine and the wood. I have it clamped right now, and I do have a piece of parchment paper from the kitchen just so it doesn't stick to the clamp. So while this dries, I do want to remind you, like and subscribe to the channel.